NV91 and NV93 projects exemplify Tesla's dedication to creating smaller, more affordable vehicles, particularly with the NV91 aimed at a competitive price point of around $25,000. Recent updates indicate an active reassessment of these initiatives. Tesla's innovative approach to production diverges significantly from that of traditional automakers. By emphasizing cost reduction and efficiency through next-generation platforms, Tesla enhances its capacity to deliver more affordable electric vehicles. Critical U.S. states such as California, Texas, Florida, and New York play a pivotal role in the anticipated success of the Model 2. Their established charging infrastructure makes electric vehicle ownership increasingly viable. The design of the structural battery pack reduces the number of components required, streamlining the production process. This level of efficiency is essential for driving down overall manufacturing costs. Tesla's unique access to Starlink's satellite internet infrastructure results in lower connectivity costs and enhances vehicle features. This integration provides significant advantages over conventional mobile networks. The Starlink network's capability to deliver reliable connectivity in remote areas is crucial for navigation and emergency communications. This functionality addresses mobile coverage gaps prevalent along numerous U.S. highways. Seamless integration with Starlink ensures consistent connectivity across various regions, allowing drivers to communicate and navigate without disruptions. The specific benefits may vary depending on geographic location and driving conditions. Tesla's connectivity proves to be more cost-effective than traditional satellite radio and subscription fees from manufacturers, emphasizing the value of advanced features and emergency communication capabilities. This aspect presents a strong incentive for prospective Model 2 buyers. Innovations in Tesla's solar technology enable the Model 2 to potentially function independently of external charging, thus enhancing energy independence. The incorporation of advanced solar cells significantly boosts energy efficiency compared to earlier models. The buffer battery facilitates continuous solar energy absorption throughout the day, independent of vehicle operation, thereby improving energy transfer to the main battery. Geographical variations in sunlight exposure influence solar energy efficiency, with regions like Southern California reaping the greatest benefits. This factor directly impacts the total annual solar mileage of the vehicles. Cost analysis reveals that integrating solar systems into vehicles can be financially feasible, offering a return on investment of approximately 4.4 years. The added value of energy independence during outages is particularly significant. The Model 2's solar panel features adjustable angles to optimize energy collection, enhancing efficiency without requiring user intervention. This innovation makes solar technology more accessible for mainstream consumers. Model 2 showcases over 20 design modifications from the Model Y, featuring simpler body parts and a streamlined sensor arrangement aimed at reducing production costs. In the community, debates arise regarding the Model 2's comfort. Some enthusiasts express disappointment over the cost-cutting measures, while others appreciate the emphasis on affordability. Significant design alterations include the potential absence of a panoramic glass roof and simplified lighting arrangements, reflecting a clear shift towards minimalism. Interior modifications in the Model 2 feature a reduction in entertainment options and the introduction of fabric seats instead of vegan leather, both aimed at lowering costs. Tesla is exploring LFP battery packs for their cost efficiency, prioritizing safety and longevity, even though this battery type has a lower energy density compared to others. Aluminum-ion batteries offer potential advantages such as rapid charging, but they also present challenges related to energy density, impacting the Model 2's range and weight. Transitioning to aluminum-ion batteries necessitates substantial investment in new production lines and technology upgrades, which are vital for maintaining high quality and performance standards. These aluminum-ion batteries provide enhanced thermal stability and safety, helping to alleviate some drawbacks of lower energy density, particularly in extreme temperature conditions. The sustainability and recycling potential of aluminum-ion technology might yield lower overall costs throughout the vehicle's lifespan, counterbalancing higher initial manufacturing expenses. Tesla's Model 2 is approaching completion, with most regulatory and technical hurdles addressed. The swift production timeline post-unveiling indicates a bright future for affordable electric vehicles. Positioned as a compact crossover, the Model 2 leverages existing manufacturing processes to keep costs down. This strategic choice aligns with a market increasingly gravitating towards crossovers. Tesla's strategy to lower production costs includes utilizing larger cast parts, aiming to reduce complexity and enhance efficiency. This approach aspires to make the Model 2 the most produced vehicle in history. Model 2 are currently undergoing testing, with mass deliveries anticipated by the year 2026. This anticipation underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to both innovation and market leadership. In addressing the critical concerns surrounding lithium battery lifespan and performance degradation, the Model 2 incorporates advanced aluminum and sodium-ion batteries. These innovations promise to deliver longer-lasting power to users, enhancing the overall user experience. A notable advancement of the Model 2 is its rapid charging capability of 10C, enabling a full charge within approximately 15 minutes. This significant technological leap markedly enhances the driving experience for users, reducing downtime. Furthermore, the Model 2 is capable of achieving ranges exceeding 5.5 million kilometers with minimal battery degradation, which greatly diminishes the need for replacements over an extended period. Such durability enhances the vehicle's overall appeal. In addition, Tesla's redesigned production flow emphasizes affordability, successfully reducing production costs by approximately 50%. This strategic move aims to make electric vehicles more accessible within the mass market while optimizing both cost efficiency and production effectiveness. Employing giga-casting technology facilitates the production of unified components for the Model 2, effectively eliminating hundreds of welds and thereby enhancing assembly line efficiency. This innovation simultaneously contributes to the vehicle's overall structural integrity. Moreover, the structural foundation of the Model 2 is engineered to absorb severe crash impacts, offering improved deformation control akin to a protective shield. Such design considerations prioritize passenger safety during collisions. The enhancement of Tesla's multi-layered AI perception system effectively eliminates the issue of phantom braking, which has been a common complaint among previous model owners. This upgrade significantly enhances driving safety, particularly during prolonged trips. In terms of user interface, the redesigned door system of the Model 2 features touchless sensors alongside a manual backup mechanism for emergencies. This innovation substantially reduces the risk of injuries that may occur during power failures. Additionally, the incorporation of graphene-infused rubber in the Model 2 tires results in improved durability by 37% when compared to traditional tires, enhancing performance across various weather conditions and effectively reducing the risks of hydroplaning. Finally, the smart adaptive suspension system in the Model 2 responds swiftly to changing road conditions, providing a ride quality comparable to high-end sedans. This advanced system, equipped with electromagnetic dampers, adapts stiffness in mere milliseconds. Furthermore, the self-maintenance system of the Model 2 utilizes over 200 sensors to continuously monitor vehicle health and predict maintenance needs. This innovative feature has the potential to save owners significant costs and time associated with repairs. Has made a substantial investment in a new compact vehicle platform, aimed at reducing production costs while upholding quality standards. This strategic decision plays a crucial role in ensuring that the upcoming Model 2 remains affordable. The Model 2 will feature advanced Level 4 autonomous driving capabilities, enabling it to navigate and park independently. This development signifies a major leap forward in Tesla's technological prowess. Anticipations around the Model 2 suggest it's poised to transform the electric vehicle landscape through competitive pricing and innovative features. Its goal is to present a compelling electric alternative to traditional hybrids. While hybrid vehicles, such as the Toyota Prius, may appear more affordable upfront, they frequently incur higher maintenance costs due to their intricate dual motor systems. This complexity can lead to substantial expenses throughout the vehicle's lifecycle. The production of the Tesla Model 2 is enhanced by cutting-edge technology at Tesla's Gigafactory, which facilitates efficient manufacturing processes and cost reductions. This ensures that the vehicle delivers high quality at a competitive price point. Moreover, Tesla's solar integration offers nearly free charging for Model 2 owners, which could result in savings of around $1,400 each year. This innovative approach positions the Model 2 as a financially savvy choice for consumers. It's important to note that the Model 2 is not entirely a new concept, it draws significant influence from the Model Y. This strategic alignment helps Tesla maintain brand identity and enhances its competitive stance against rivals. The rising demand for the Model 2 reflects a strong market interest in affordable electric vehicles, signifying a broader consumer acceptance of EVs, which is a positive trend for the industry. Looking ahead, Tesla's transition to aluminum-ion batteries holds the potential to disrupt the market by offering a more cost-effective and safer alternative to lithium-ion batteries. This shift could further drive down vehicle costs significantly. Aluminum-ion batteries enable a higher electron mobility due to their tri-positive charge, which enhances energy efficiency within battery cells. This creates a faster energy transfer compared to conventional lithium-ion batteries. The anticipated cost reduction associated with aluminum-ion batteries could save Tesla up to $2,000 per vehicle, providing a remarkable advantage in production scaling for the Model 2. This increased cost efficiency positions Tesla favorably in the electric vehicle market. Lastly, aluminum-ion batteries are projected to endure up to 10,000 charge cycles, delivering longer battery life and reduced overall operating costs for consumers. This durability stands in sharp contrast to the limited lifespan of traditional lithium-ion batteries. The production of the Model 2 is set to commence in June, leveraging Tesla's specialized production line, which is designed to ensure a streamlined and efficient manufacturing process. This initiative aligns seamlessly with the company's overarching commitment to enhancing affordability and accessibility. Tesla has confirmed that the Model 2 will incorporate a compact battery pack, ranging from approximately 50 to 53 kilowatt-hours, utilizing cost-effective lithium iron phosphate technology. This technological choice significantly contributes to the vehicle's overall affordability. Recent market trends indicate a notable decline in the costs associated with battery materials, particularly lithium and cobalt, which have experienced significant reductions since 2022. This decline plays a critical role in sustaining the competitive pricing of the Model 2. Battery costs for lithium iron phosphate, LFP, have plunged dramatically from $110 per kilowatt-hour in early 2023 to approximately $53 in early 2025, exemplifying cost-effective production capabilities. Such reductions are vital for enhancing the affordability of electric vehicles. The Model 2 embodies a minimalist design philosophy, featuring essential components such as basic audio systems and cloth seats, which aim to reduce production costs. These deliberate design choices are anticipated to facilitate a final price point below $15,000. Tesla's innovative motor design, which employs ferrite magnets, is projected to yield savings of approximately $1,000 compared to conventional motors. This inventive approach underscores the ambition to deliver an affordable electric vehicle without compromising on operational performance. While the Model 2 is tailored for budget-conscious consumers, its design and performance attributes may not meet the expectations of customers who anticipate the premium experience associated with existing Tesla models. This potential trade-off could have implications for overall sales performance. The production of the Model 2 at Giga Shanghai enables Tesla to harness a low-cost supply chain, thereby enhancing affordability for American consumers. This strategy is pivotal in maintaining competitive standing against established automotive brands. Tesla's aggressive pricing strategy poses a significant challenge to the market dominance of Chinese automakers such as BYD, compelling these competitors to consider price adjustments in order to remain viable within the global market landscape. Such dynamics could potentially alter the trajectory of the electric vehicle industry. The Model 2 is poised to appeal to an older demographic, with projections indicating that approximately 50% of deliveries will target customers aged 65 and above by 2028. This demographic shift exemplifies evolving consumer preferences within the marketplace. Tesla's established infrastructure and production capabilities uniquely position the company to effectively scale Model 2 production in conjunction with its other vehicle offerings. This strategic advantage fortifies their competitiveness within the automotive sector. The projected pricing of the Model 2 at around $15,000 has the potential to disrupt existing market dynamics, particularly in regions sensitive to price fluctuations. This pricing paradigm is strategically designed to attract significant interest from first-time electric vehicle buyers. Pricing strategy of the Tesla Model 2 represents a transformative shift within the electric vehicle market, particularly as most competing models fall within the price range of $29,000 to $35,000. This substantial price differential positions the Model 2 as an appealing choice for a wide array of consumers. However, concerns have been raised regarding the quality of more affordable electric vehicles, such as the BYD Seagull, which may fall short of consumer expectations in critical areas such as range and advanced features. In contrast, the Tesla Model 2 is designed to deliver superior quality and enhanced functionalities. Furthermore, Tesla employs cutting-edge production techniques, including the use of the gigapress and accelerated assembly lines, which enable the company to manufacture vehicles with greater efficiency than conventional automakers. This operational efficiency has the potential to redefine industry standards in automotive production. The design of the Model 2 is a streamlined adaptation of the Model Y, aimed at reducing production costs while preserving the essence of the Tesla brand. This strategic decision may resonate particularly well with consumers who are budget-conscious. Moreover, Tesla's decision to introduce the Model 2 has been significantly influenced by the intensifying competition posed by companies such as BYD, which are presenting electric vehicles at markedly lower price points. This competitive pressure emphasizes the urgency of Musk's strategy to sustain market share. Yet, questions persist regarding the quality, production methodologies, and profitability of the Model 2 at such a competitive price point. These uncertainties have implications that could affect Tesla's long-term viability in the fiercely competitive electric vehicle market. The introduction of a new 50,000-ton gigapress is expected to markedly elevate production speed and efficiency when compared to the 6,000-ton press utilized for the Model Y. This technological advancement enables a more rapid manufacturing process. Additionally, Tesla's gigacasting technology diminishes production costs by substituting a multitude of smaller parts with fewer large castings, resulting in an approximate 40% reduction in costs for the Model Y. The architectural design of the Model 2 will feature a compact structure utilizing a unified casting process. This innovation enhances not only structural rigidity and performance but also contributes to lower manufacturing times and heightened efficiency. The Model 2 demonstrates impressive performance metrics, accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in a mere 5.6 seconds, positioning it competitively alongside luxury sports cars. Furthermore, its energy efficiency of 15 kWh per 100 km reflects a 25% enhancement over prevailing industry standards. In addition, the Model 2 incorporates a 48V electrical architecture that minimizes energy loss and facilitates lighter wiring, thereby improving overall vehicle efficiency. This design choice has direct implications for reduced production costs. Lastly, Tesla's internal production capabilities for power electronics enhance both integration and performance while mitigating dependence on foreign supply chains. Nonetheless, the safety of batteries remains a significant concern, necessitating ongoing innovation and rigorous testing. Structural adhesives are utilized in the assembly of the Model 2 to facilitate the creation of a continuous load path. This innovative approach significantly improves vibration distribution and enhances overall body stiffness, thereby augmenting the vehicle's longevity and enriching the driving experience. Furthermore, the implementation of standardized fasteners streamlines the repair and maintenance processes, which enables expeditious service times while minimizing the incidence of tool mix-ups. Consequently, this development leads to reduced repair costs for vehicle owners. Moreover, anti-corrosion treatments are administered to subassemblies prior to the final assembly stage, markedly enhancing the vehicle's rust resistance. As a result, owners will observe a notable decrease in corrosion-related issues even after prolonged use. In addition to this, the underbody design incorporates a flat under tray along with strategically placed access panels, which serve to shield against mud and water damage. This design not only protects the vehicle but also improves aerodynamics and efficiency during highway driving. Transitioning to Tesla's chip protection strategy, it is noteworthy that the design includes reinforced sills and composite liners. These components are specifically engineered to absorb impacts, thereby reducing instances of paint chipping and preventing rust through effective surface preservation. In terms of interior design, the Model 2 showcases a minimalist cabin that features intuitive controls. These elements allow drivers to operate various functions by feel, thereby enhancing their focus on the road and simplifying the overall user experience. Notably, the Model 2 incorporates mineral fiber composite materials, which provide enhanced durability and scratch resistance compared to conventional faux leather. This choice contributes significantly to maintaining a long-lasting interior appearance. Extending the principles of minimalist design, the door modules in the Model 2 are crafted for rapid repairs, permitting the replacement of entire units rather than individual components. This approach not only enhances efficiency but also reduces service time considerably. The rear semi-independent suspension system of the Model 2 is engineered to minimize wear points, resulting in fewer age-related issues and promoting a more durable setup ideal for daily commuting. This design philosophy prioritizes practicality over extreme performance. Additionally, the integrated hub and bearing system facilitates quick replacements, consequently minimizing labor time and reducing the likelihood of future mechanical issues. This design choice underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to service efficiency. Furthermore, the Tesla Model 2 features common tire sizes which contribute to lowering replacement costs and enhancing availability. This pragmatic approach ultimately benefits owners by alleviating financial burdens associated with tire maintenance. The adoption of IP67 rated connectors throughout the vehicle significantly heightens durability, as these connectors effectively shield electronic components from moisture and dust. This protective measure ensures the consistent functionality of features over time, even under adverse weather conditions. Moreover, the cabin air filter in the Tesla Model 2 is designed with longevity in mind, featuring a larger filter box that diminishes the frequency of necessary replacements. This enhancement